Hi, I'm Amir Atashi, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about important estate planning terminology. First, let's look at the term estate tax exemption. Currently, if you are a U.S. person, meaning a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, you have an estate tax exemption of $5.43 million. That means that you can transfer $5.43 million worth of wealth and not be subject to any estate tax. If you have a dollar over the $5.43 million and you pass away in the year 2015, then that $1 will be taxed almost 40%. Now, keeping that concept in mind, it's important to also talk about another term, lifetime gifting exemption. Similarly, if you are a U.S. person, that means a citizen or a green card holder, you can throughout your whole lifetime $5.43 million with zero exposure to the gift tax. If you're wondering if you can pass or transfer $5.43 million throughout your lifetime and also transfer $5.43 million at the time of your death with no gift tax consequence and no estate tax consequence, that's not the case. The $5.43 million that I just mentioned with regards to the estate tax exemption and the lifetime gifting exemption, they are the same $5.43 million. Let me give you an example. Let's say I had $5.43 million and I decide to gift all of that $5.43 million this year in the year 2015. I would gift it, there would be zero gift tax. After all, I have a lifetime gifting exemption of $5.43 million. But let's also assume that I happen to pass away in the year 2015. Again, if I have $1 in my name at the time of my death, that $1 is going to be taxed 40%, almost 40 cents. So the $5.43 million that you have as a lifetime gifting exemption and the $5.43 million that you have as an estate tax exemption, they are the same exact figure. They're not mutually exclusive. Another important term that comes up often in estate planning is the annual exclusion. A lot of folks have misconceptions about this term. The annual exclusion is $14,000 in 2015. It used to be $10,000. It was bumped up to $11,000, $12,000, $13,000. Now it's $14,000. What does that mean? It means that an individual can transfer $14,000 to another individual in 1 year without the need to report that gifting transaction to the Internal Revenue Service. I like to think of that transfer as, quote, under the radar, without any reporting obligations. It's very important for lifetime transfers, gifts, to be made in increments of $14,000 because that individual will not be utilizing or wasting their lifetime gifting exemption. For spouses or for partners, if they're thinking about gifting to one individual, they can gift $14,000 from one spouse and $14,000 from the other spouse, thereby transferring $28,000 in 1 year to one individual without ever having the need to file a gift tax return, a Form 709. That's a brief recap of the terms estate tax exemption, gifting exemption, and the annual exclusion. This video has been brought to you by the Atashi Law Firm, where we're building lifetime relationships one client at a time.
Thank you for watching.